Hi, welcome to my latest Stitch Fix unboxing. I am super excited because I asked for 5 dresses. I love this part. As part of the Stitch Fix influencer team, I always get to ask specifically for what I want or need, but everybody can do that. Ooh, let's see. I should have done the other thing that I usually do before, but I'm too excited to see what's in this fix. So I asked, as I was telling you, for 5 dresses, and I'm going to show you, let's see, the price points. Since I have like some fancy events, here are the prices. You will see that a few dresses are over $100, but a few are not. So that's pretty manageable and doable. And you see, where's the card? My favorite part always is getting to see the stylist card. This part of every Stitch Fix box for me is essential because it has all the looks as they're put together by my stylist. And in this case, I think we have a winner because some boxes might seem a little off, but in this case, it seems we have a winner. First up, yellow, which I love for spring and summer. And I live in Miami, so this is absolutely perfect. It's very lightweight. Check it out. It's not too short. It's really, really lightweight. So I think this is definitely a winner. I might do another video trying on everything, but I really wanted you to join me in this unboxing. And I love maxi dresses and anything that has a bohemian vibe to it. Oh, this is so pretty. So, so pretty. So honestly, love it too. So we have 2 winners. Obviously I have to try them on and see how they fit me because not everything fits my body. And, oh, this is nice. Okay, so I am going on a really wonderful trip to Europe this summer. And this is so perfect, not only for Miami, but it's a very lightweight, stretchy fabric that I think will travel really well. It has Lycra. And yeah, I love this. So for now we have 3 out of 3 that I absolutely love. There's 2 more dresses in here. And my Stitch Fix stylist, I think, did a wonderful job. So this is a chiffon dress with flowers and ruffles, which always look good. So it has a V-neck, which tends to be very, very flattering. And these ruffles, it's like a fall wrap dress. And this I can totally see myself wearing over and over again because you can really dress this up or dress it down. You add a belt, like a black belt. You can add heels if you want it dressier. You put a nice necklace on. Seems they did really, really well this time in listening to what I really wanted and needed. Oh, and this is a stunner. So this I'm definitely wearing for my nephew's graduation. Wow, love it. It is a navy blue lace. I want you to take a look at how nice it is. It's fully lined, which is very important when you're wearing lacy things. And it's very flattering because it is it is form-fitting, but it's not too tight. We'll see if it fits me. So what do you think about this fix from Stitch Fix? I absolutely love it. I really, really hope that all these dresses will fit me, and stay posted because I think I will do a try-on video. For more tips and information, you can check out my blog, HispanaGlobal.net, or keep following me here on Instagram TV. Till next time. Oh, and there's a very special offer for all of my followers thanks to my collaboration with Stitch Fix. Yes, you will get a $25 credit. So make sure to use my affiliate link. That way you get your credit and try out Stitch Fix for yourself.